In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a 3D cup model. Let's go! Okay, first, we select the cube, and we can delete the cube by pressing X, choose delete, and now the cube has gone. Okay, after that, we add the circle by pressing Shift A, go to the mesh, and choose the circle. In the circle menu, at the bottom, we can change the number of the vertices from 32 to become 20. After that, you can go to edit mode by pressing tab and press E plus Z to extrude the circle. Okay, like this. Okay, after that, we can press 1 in your keyboard and scale it by pressing S. After that, we add 2 loop cut right in the middle of the face by pressing Ctrl R and add the number with your scroll mouse like this. Click again, and we can scale to the Z for adjust the height of the loop cut. Okay, like this. Okay, after that, we can select the bottom vertex like here. Hold your Alt and press your left mouse, and we can scale it. On the top, hold your Alt and scale it. Make it wider for the face. Also, we can move the top vertex with pressing G plus Z, okay, like this, and scale it. Okay, and now press number 3 on your keyboard and change to face select mode in here, and we can select the 2 mini face on the middle face. Press number 1 in the keyboard and press E plus X. Move your mouse to make it extrude the face. And now we need to adjust the face by pressing S plus X and 0. Make it more straight, like this. And now we can select face in here and hold your shift, and also select in here. And now we can press I on your keyboard to insert the face. Okay, like this. Okay, after that we can press X on your keyboard and choose the face. And now choose the FPS select, and we can select the line here by pressing Alt and Shift. Okay, like this. And also on the other side, hold your Shift and Alt. And now we fill the face by pressing Ctrl E and choose the bridge edge loop. And the face has filled again. And now press number 1 and press Z and choose the wireframe. And now we can select the bottom of vertex. Choose the vertex, okay, like this. Move your camera with your scroll mouse, and we can press E plus S to make it fill, okay, like this. Again, E plus S, like this, and we can press F on the last. Okay, now select the top of vertex, and we can press E plus S, just like the bottom vertex. And press number 1, and press E plus Z. Okay, and scale it down. Press S, like this. And now go to solid mode with press Z and choose the solid. And now to become more smooth, we can choose the modifier in here. Add the modifier subdivision surface. And now you can see the model becomes smoother. Make it smooth, you can add the number of the lever viewport, okay, like this. And also the render have the same as the level viewport number. Okay, and now You can adjust the rest of the vertice that we can make it more loop the handle of the cup. First in here, activate the on cake setting and press 7 on your keyboard. And now I choose wireframe mode again, and we select the handle in here and press S2Y. Make it more smaller than before. And select the top of vertice. You can select again by pressing Alt and make it scale to make it more wider. You can also adjust the handle vertice to make it more smooth. You can add the loop cut again for the handle to make it more wider. You can rotate, move, or scale the vertice of handle. When you has done to edit your object, you can also make it more smooth again by pressing your right mouse and choose the set auto smooth. And now your cup more smooth. And now you can also add the color of the glass and choose the material properties, add the new, and add the base color. To see the color, you can pressing Z to the material preview, and you can see the color of the glass. You can also change the metallic color in here to make it more metallic or to become more glassy. So, this is how to create a 3D glass model in Blender. Thanks for watching and see you for the next episode.